I am going to steal Orange Haiti's iPhone.
Hey, come back here with my iPhone. That's it. I'm telling the principal on Dark Rainbow, sir.
Okay, class. Today we'll be watching Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Attention. Dark Rainbow, sir. Report to my office right now. You are in big trouble.
Dark Rain Bowser. You heard what the principal said. Go to his office right now.
Yes, Mr. Frank? Is there a problem?
Yes, there is. How dare you steal Orange Haiti's iPhone? You know that stealing is bad. It hurts other people. And it's just plain wrong to steal. Give him back his iPhone right now.
I will be taking my iPhone.
And for stealing Orange Haiti's iPhone, you will serve 5 hours of detention. Go to detention right now.
Welcome to detention. You will not talk, sleep, chew gum, use a computer, listen to music, daydream, whistle, stand up, burp or fart. You will stay here and sit quietly for 5 hours.
5 hours of detention later, and when school ended.
Dark Rain Bowser. We can't believe you are stealing Orange Haiti's iPhone and got a 5-hour detention. You know that stealing is the wrong choice. And it's just plain wrong to steal. That's it. You are grounded for 9 days.
I agree with your father. You're grounded and that's final. Now go upstairs to your room right now.
No.